everyone, I'm Yu Young-in from Year 9 and my Taratat with Physics project is the ball and cup experiment.
Hi, this is my ball and cup experiment. The materials you need for this are 2 ping pong balls, 2 plastic cups, scissors, a wooden pencil, and glue gun. So for the first step, you'll need to get the 2 cups and cut a little of each edge just so you can stick the wooden pencil nicely on top later. As you can see, the flat edge is where we're gonna stick the wooden pencil later. So you'll have to do this to both sides of the cup. For the next step, you'll want to glue the 2 cups together, but make sure that the ping pong balls are inside. And also make sure that your glue gun is hot enough. When gluing the cups together, you should keep in mind that the edges we cut before should be aligned together. Ensure that you have glued the 2 cups together tightly. The last step is to glue the pencil to the cup. To do this, you have to get the wooden pencil and add some hot glue to it. Then after that, glue it on top of the edge we cut before and hold on a few seconds until the glue is dry. When you spin it, you can see that the 2 balls are repelling each other. This is possible due to the centrifugal force. What is centrifugal force, you might ask? Centrifugal force is an apparent force that acts on a body moving around a center arising from the body's inertia. Centrifugal force is an example of inertial force. When an external force is applied on an object, it will resist a change in velocity or acceleration. This resistance is called inertial force. A daily life example is if you swing a ball around a rope, you will feel the centrifugal force pulling the ball outward. That centrifugal force is an inertial force where the ball seeks to follow a straight line. As you can see in my diagram, the ball swinging on a rope is being pulled outwards. This force is called the centrifugal force. In this particular example, the ball is moving at a clockwise direction. Moving on, the centripetal force is a force that acts on a body moving in a circular path and is directed toward the center around which the body is moving. Using the same example as before, as you can observe in my diagram, the ball is being pulled inwards instead of outwards. The force pulling the ball inwards is called centripetal force. Now looking at the direction of motion of the ball, you can see that it is the same direction as the example before in the centrifugal force. This is the clockwise direction. Thus, it can be safe to say that the centrifugal force is the opposite direction than the centripetal force, but they're equal in magnitude. What this means is that the direction where the force is being pulled is opposite, however, the magnitude of the force being pulled is equal. Now you can see how this relates to the ball and cup experiment. Looking at the diagram I have drawn, the pink arrow represents the center, while the purple arrow represents the centrifugal force. The 2 ping pong balls are opposing each other because the centrifugal force are pulling them outwards from the center. By spinning the whole setup, we create a force that the centrifugal force could oppose to. This allows the whole setup to continue moving in a circular motion instead of flying out in a straight line. Thanks for listening. Bye.